Degreasing the turboprop guts, scrubbing off decades of oil and crud.
Interior walls with APC. Watch the grime load up the rags.
Brushing out packed mud. Blowing and toweling dry to avoid water spots on the freshly washed frame.
Close look at the cleaned rust. See how bad the corrosion has eaten through. All mud gone. Now the real rust battle begins with sanding and repairs.
Orbital sanding the fuselage to level out the surface, while the vacuum keeps the dust under control. Manual sanding in those tight spots around rivets and seams to get every crevice clean. Light grinding under the belly to cut back the heavy rust and reach good metal.
Applying rust converter to those deep pits to neutralize and stabilize the corrosion. Wiping off the converter after it works its magic, leaving the rust safely converted.
Fine sanding the treated areas to create a level surface for filler application.
Feeling the panels by hand to locate every dent and wave that needs filler.
Marking the dents and waves with marker so I know exactly where to apply body filler.
Most of the old paint is off now, revealing the bare metal ready for the next phase.
Mixing up the body filler on the board until it's perfectly smooth and homogeneous for those big dents.
Packing body filler into the big fuselage dent and feathering it to follow the smooth arrow lines. Checking the filler to metal transition by hand. No steps or ridges, perfectly smooth.
Cutting out the rotten tail panel and welding in a solid replacement patch for structural integrity. Grinding the weld smooth and sanding the surrounding area for a perfect blend. Masking off the glass and important labels before primer goes on everywhere else.
Adding the custom restoration nameplate near the cockpit, marking this Tupolev Tu-91 revival complete. Polishing the canopy glass to perfection now, fitting fresh seals to ensure airtight fit after full restoration.
Spraying anti-glare matte interior paint into every cockpit crevice for authentic pilot visibility.
Reinstalling cleaned instrument panels with crisp markings and neat wiring layout.
Final interior wipe down and dressings.
Before and after transformation. Intagligening.
Engine oil filter hose service.
Engine oil filter hose service.
Static engine test run.